Good morning, everybody. It's June 19th, and we're having more earthquakes at Yellowstone. I know they're investigating them now, the scientists. A 2.1 and a 3.0. The 2.1, this one went down 4 miles, and this one went down 7 miles. But they were really some big ones over in Indonesia. Show you on the other map. The Fiji Islands, 283 depth, 175 miles down that went. And that was only 5 hours ago. The scientists, they are investigating why this is happening now. Well, it's plate tectonic movement. And the earth is shifting. The crust is shifting. Thing here, 2.7 in Oklahoma, another 2.7 in Missouri, California. Even though they're small, a 1.9 and a 1.7, 1.4 kilometers deep. That's only 0.4 miles down. So it's crust jolt that's on top. Okay, that's it. This morning's report. Let me check Yellowstone. So about 12 hours ago, this is approximately what was going on at Yellowstone, Old Faithful area, which is a tiny area compared to the whole park, and those earthquakes are miles away. I'm sure it definitely affects the geysers. And this is the usual. It wakes up in the morning when the sun comes up. It wakes up. That's how it goes. That's how it. Look at that. You see that rainbow, like a little bit on the right. And then it starts pixelating towards the end of the morning streams. Okay, I'm going to add this to the report. And this is what's going on right now. Over there, it's 9:20 in the morning, Mountain Time. So that's just a quick look for this morning. Hopefully nothing else happens. Okay guys, you take care. Bye.